just spent 4 hours working on your car, and you're feeling good because the work you did was correct, and she's ready to be driven. But you're tired and frustrated, and you're mostly nauseous, probably because you've been inhaling motor oil fumes for the past 4 hours. And all you want to do now is take a shower and maybe meet up with your friends. But before you can do any of that, you gotta put your tools away, so you can find them on another day. Won't you listen to the words that I say? Lord, you gotta put your tools away. Put your tools away, you know what's gonna happen. In a month from now, you're gonna be waking up real early because you're taking your car to a big automotive event. And you're mostly hungover, probably because you drank too much whiskey and you just went to bed 2 hours ago. But when you go to start your car, nothing happens. And you think to yourself, I know what the problem is. But when you go to grab the tool you need, it's nowhere to be found. So you try to fashion a new tool out of a bunch of other tools, but it doesn't quite work. And by the time you do find the tool you need and finally get your car started, the automotive event is long over, and you just learned a valuable lesson. You gotta put your tools away, so you can find them on another day. Won't you listen to the words that I say? Lord, you gotta put your tools away.
Thanks for checking out this video, and for more automotive content that you cannot find anywhere else, click here to subscribe.